What are you saying? What are you saying? Say, hey, great grandmommy.
You are a sweet, happy baby. You are sweet, happy. Yeah.
Are you telling great grandmommy about your monkey?
Yeah, tell me about it.
You telling her about your monkey?
What is that? Oh.
What's going on? Are you examining it?
Oh, that pretty baby, those pretty eyes.
You ready to get out?
Oh no, yeah, she's beginning to feel uncomfortable. I bet you